Love it so much.
It's functional, it's light, it's exactly what I wanted.
We could basically just make this video and say items number 1 through 5 are very functional, they're lightweight, they increase the efficiency, and on top of all of it, it makes you look better to the general public.
That's all. Thank you, Greg, for taking over.
It also has properties that help you fight infection.
All those things. It can become a solid, liquid, and gas. You know all the science behind it.
So guys, go ahead and get yourself a Jeep Wrangler so that you could join the party. Well, what do we got going on?
Happy New Year, everybody!
Happy New Year.
We are so excited to start 2020 off with this exciting episode.
2020 off.
What did I say? 2022?
You said 2020.
Years fly when you're having fun. That's rough.
Did you say 2020?
Yeah, those 2 years were rough.
Well, guys, let's just predict the future. The year now is 2020. Things aren't going to go too great this year, I think. Keeping all of it.
On this week's episode, I'm going to show you all of the mods you have to have on a JK.
Now, if you missed it a couple of weeks ago, I made a very similar episode of 5 must-have mods on the Jeep Wrangler TJ. Now, in the past, we've made all sorts of videos in terms of 5 cheapest mods, 10 of the best Christmas gift kind of mods, that kind of thing. But this one is 5 of those mods that have made the biggest difference for the Jeep Wrangler platforms. Now, if you want your Jeep to feel luxurious, check out Auleen's list of top 5. Why don't we start from the least to the number 1 product? What do you think about that?
Let's do it.
And if you haven't done so already, check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple. We post reels all the time, and they seem to be pretty popular, so check them out.
We think we're pretty funny. Without further ado, let's do my top 5 mods.
And who's that little gentleman over
Our
there?
baby Ruby, guys. He just turned 1 recently. Can you guys believe it? If you're new to our channel, this JK is my daily driver. It sits on 37s, which I absolutely love, and Greg drives the TJ on 38s.
Ruby's on a mission.
Number 5 on the list are these Aries fenders along with the inner lining. Now, we had a couple issues with the original fenders that came with the JKU. First off, they look absolutely terrible. The color wears out super easy, they're incredibly flimsy, and as you can see, I'm running 37, so the clearance was nothing. They have a little lip on the fenders that just kept on hitting the tire. So we were looking for a fender that looked better along with giving me more clearance. So we went with the Aries fender along with the lining. As you can see, it has a really nice finish, incredibly easy to install, and gave me much more clearance.
So if you want to see the video where we trim the stock fender flares as well as we treat them with a trim restorer product, check out the description. I'll put the links for those. And if you want to see the full install video, we installed all 4 of these fenders in just under a couple of hours without any trimming. It was super easy to do, but absolutely changed the look and improved the performance.
On to number 4.
Here's the behind the scenes. What were you just saying?
I'll tell you in a sec.
eBay it is.
eBay it is. Number 4 on my list are these Aries Action Track side steps. Now, when I bought my Jeep, there actually were no side steps on it. So Greg came to the rescue incredibly quickly and picked some up off of eBay, which did the trick for a while, but this is an incredible upgrade. When we did a lift on the Jeep, obviously the entire Jeep went up. We have a lot of family that's a little bit older. Are you laughing at me?
I'm laughing at you.
We have a lot of family that's a little bit older, so I like these side steps because... All right, Rubes. I like these side steps because they're functional, so when the door opens, the side step comes down, and upon closing the door, it goes right back up. Now, these side steps also have lights at the bottom, which makes it extremely functional in the dark. That's why these side steps are my number 4 item. On to number 3.
Love it so much.
It's functional, it's light, it's exactly what I wanted.
We could basically just make this video and say items number 1 through 5 are very functional, they're lightweight, they increase the efficiency, and on top of all of it, it makes you look better to the general public.
That's all. Thank you, Greg, for taking over.
It also has properties that help you fight infection.
All those things. It can become a solid, liquid, and gas. You know all the science behind it.
So guys, go ahead and get yourself a Jeep Wrangler so that you could join the party.
All right, on to number 3. Number 3 on my list are these Aries.
Jeez, Aries made the top 3 or top 5, 4, 3.
That they did. This is Aries roof rack.
Now, why is that so special, I might ask?
When we were looking at a roof rack, we really didn't want to drill into the Jeep at all. This roof rack goes right into the gutters of the Jeep, which makes it an install of about 10 minutes.
Now, one might say, hey, are those gutters strong enough to support the weight of a rooftop tent? I wonder.
I wonder. Now, it is recommended that this roof rack only holds up to 150 pounds, but we put it to the test on our camping trip this summer with a rooftop tent along with Greg and I in it, and it didn't break. So we were super stoked about that.
And how many times did we do it without it breaking?
Dose. We just got back from Mexico.
Baja California. And last thing to tell you about those things is to tell them about.
We will continue to put this to the test with camping trips, storage, all the good stuff, and let you know how it holds up. Oh yeah.
And if we break our hardtop, we will donate them to charity.
I'm sure you wouldn't mind if it broke because it's not yours.
Yeah, I mean technically through marriage, half of that top is mine.
Okay, on to number 2, buddy. Ruby, say hi to the people. Say hi. That was the version of a hi. Now, for those of you that know Garage Couple or don't know Garage Couple, we love our light accessories. So my number 2 on my list are all my light accessories, but my favorite of all is my rear facing light bar right over here. Now, I use this light bar more than any other light bar because it's really hard to see with this big tire in the back in the dark, period. So I always turn this light bar.
And those tints as well.
That's true. So I always use this light bar just to increase that visibility. It's super sleek, but puts out a ton of light.
And if you notice, it actually has curved edges, which allow the light to be distributed to the left and to the right. Now, some of those are spotlights, as you can tell, through the molding of the chrome, and then some of those are floodlights. The ones that have the ripples like that are the floodlights, and they work absolutely phenomenal. Why don't you go ahead and show us how to turn it on?
Let's do it.
Now, speaking of all of her light accessories, why don't you go ahead and show us the rest of them, just for completeness sake.
Drum roll, please. My number 1 item on the list of what you need for your JK is clear lids, Freedom panel replacements, 180-degree panoramic top. Now, this is a game changer, right? Greg likes to rock with the windows down, doors off. I don't like that kind of vibe, but this clear lids gives me exactly what I want.
You don't like that kind of vibe?
That kind of vibe.
That is
Here we
news.
go. Nope, whoa.
See, these are things that you find out after starting a YouTube channel together. You don't like those things? Are you serious?
Only in the summer months. I'm
Wow,
more conservative.
it all
with
comes
the
out.
Now, this top gives me exactly what I want. It gives me a clear view of the sky. It brings in a lot of light. Now, a lot of you guys have commented on the past video of the install concerned about the weather. We live in Southern California, so it's pretty hot out here, and it is completely fine. There is UV protection, so I never feel like it's making me hot, and it also comes with a shade. Without further ado, why don't I show you what it looks like? Because honestly, it tells it all.
It tells a story
tells a
that is
story.
only accessible through
Tells a
visuals.
story.
Words can only do so much.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
As you can tell, the clear lids is one full piece. The original is 2 separate Freedom panels, which is honestly a hassle to take on and off. This is one piece. You do not need a drill. It uses the same slots that come with the Jeep. So there are 3 latches. 1, 2, and 3. And then you have your bolts. Now, it honestly speaks for itself. Look how amazing it is driving, being able to see the outside without dealing with the wind. Also, recently in Southern California, we had a lot of rain. and there was not one drop of water getting in, which was huge concern, which we give it a thumbs up for.
I think one other nice thing about those side steps is that our boy, little guy junior, coming in at 9 pounds, can actually try to climb them up.
Up, Ruby, up, 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 up.
Go, buddy, go.
Go, buddy, up, 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 up. And he's in. Hi.
Boom. Jeep dog.
Come on, buddy. He wants to go somewhere. He's not coming out. He's like, no, I'm coming with you no matter what.
So there you have it, everyone. There's Auleen's list of 5 game-changing mods for the Jeep JK that make the Jeep way more modern. Oh, shoot.
He's a lover for sure.
Hey, what's going on, little guy? Hey.
Thank you all for coming along for the ride. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple. We have really, really funny reels. We are absolutely hilarious. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for YouTube. And we'll catch you on the next episode, you
Now,
guys.
every time someone subscribes to this channel, Auleen gets that much closer to Hollywood. So please help support the cause.
All right, we'll see you soon, guys.
See you later, alligator.